Hello everyone. In this video, I will share how to use Freeform gradient. First, prepare the gradient box. Or you can bring it up from here. Then, Selection, and click. Select Freeform gradient. Double-click to change the color. This point can be shifted, or enlarged. Drag outside the area to remove unnecessary points. Click inside the area to add a new color point. Here you can also add gradient lines. Press Escape to stop the line. To move a point on the line, click the point again. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.